आमिर खान का जो
हाँ आमिर खान का शो है, मैं देखूंगा। अभी मैंने देखा नहीं, प्रोमो देखने काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग। ऑब्वियसली आमिर है तो कुछ ना कुछ तो अलग हो गई।
I was not very happy with the promos they were shot. I somewhere felt that using Amir Khan as a face for the promo was much more of a gimmick than it actually did anything for the show. I'm sure I will go, I would want to go and watch the show for whatever it is, but promoting it the way it is being promoted, maybe I am not very convinced about the idea of it.
What do you think the show would be all about?
Um, as far as I know, I can think of it right now from the promos that I've seen. Looks like something to do with people fighting corruption.
Yes, and the promos look very interesting and very promising. I'm quite looking forward to the show.
Okay, what do you think the show is going to be all about?
I think the show is going to be all about going into the insides of India and showing the real India and what goes on really behind the cover scene. Probably it's about corruption and showing the real face of the country to the common man. And I'm very excited to look forward to it.
देखिए, हम जो टेक्नीशियंस हैं, कुछ भी नई चीज़ लॉन्च होती है, कोई भी टेलीविज़न का शो भी लॉन्च होता है, तो हम कोशिश करते हैं कि रात में ही सही 12, 1, 2, 3 बजे रिपीट टेलीकास्ट में भी देखें किसने क्या कल्पना की है, किसने कैसा काम किया है। तो अगर एज ए टेक्नीशियन देखें तो पहले शो 2-3 एपिसोड देखना चाहूँगा।
तो आमिर खान का शो है, तो is that a good enough reason for you to watch it?
ऐसा नहीं है, आमिर खान तो केवल एक एक्टर हैं, उनके पास भी अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट्स लेके जाते होंगे। ये एक अलग मुद्दा हो सकता है कि 1-2 सुझाव उनके कुछ ऐसे होते हों जो कारगर सिद्ध हो जाते हैं या कुछ करते हैं। क्योंकि अगर हम 3 इडियट्स देखें तो ना आमिर खान ने डायरेक्ट किया है, ना उसमें उन्होंने कोई डायलॉग लिखा है, ना उन्होंने कोई गाना गाया है, ना कुछ उसका डायरेक्शन किया है, ना कैमरा किया है उसका। तो वो एक अलग मुद्दा है। मतलब खाली आमिर खान शो कर रहा है उस बेस पे तो मैं नहीं देख पाऊँगा। पहले मैं ये देख पाऊँगा कि किसने क्या कल्पना की है, क्या सोचा। अगर अच्छा लगेगा तो कंटिन्यू करेंगे। ये एक प्लस पॉइंट होगा कि उसमें आमिर खान काम कर रहे हैं तो बेहतर ही काम करेंगे, अच्छी मेहनत करते हैं।
And it's really interesting. I think I can't make much out of the promos so, and of course it's Amir Khan, so I mean he already has our attention, so he doesn't need to do much. If he's in front of us, that's enough.
No, I haven't.
No?
अपने खुद का नहीं देखने को मिला। Oh, promos, yes, I have.
Okay, so it's starting on May 6th at 11 o'clock. So if you would watch it, what would be that one reason why you would?
I'll watch it because Amir Khan की बहुत credibility है, and I somehow look up to him because he's very dedicated and he knows what he's doing. And वो जो भी subject या कुछ भी project pick up करते हैं, उसमें बहुत conviction होती है. So I would want to watch if he's coming on television. Why is he coming on television? It has to have some substance. I'll watch it for that.
No, I haven't really seen the promos, but it's 11 a.m. slot. That's what I know, and it's Amir Khan. That's really interesting.
So what about Amir as a showmaker intrigues you, because of which you would like to watch his show?
A, he's a perfectionist, and B, I think he's quite real. He's someone you can relate to, and he believes in good quality, in a good product.